Hello there, my friends. Chris Marcus here with you for Arcadia Economics. Today, a quick video about the decline in the amount of silver that's being produced. As you can see here, SRS Rocco, Steve St. Angelo, who has a great site over there, has saying that silver production, the lowest in more than 70 years. Again, it's a fascinating dynamic where we have declining silver production in many cases because with the lower silver price, that makes it less economically feasible for companies to go out and mine silver. And as Steve mentions, unfortunately, there just aren't too many economic silver deposits in the U.S., especially with the high level of environmental and governmental regulations. Instead of dealing with the bureaucracy, companies are looking to Mexico and South America to open new silver projects. I actually just did another video talking about how the tax rates, the regulations, and all these things is a big factor of what drives capital out of the U.S. There you can see domestic silver production 2017 versus 2018 was down about 10%. And let's see here. Silver production declined by more than 100 metric tons in 2018, mainly due to the ongoing closure of the Lucky Friday mine in Idaho. There was another mine, the Hochschild mine. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. But that was shut down earlier this year, further reducing the supply that's on the market. Yet, again, all the data I see of the demand for silver continues to increase while the supply goes down, which makes it fascinating that silver is still sitting barely above the production cost that takes to get it out of the ground. Again, if you've watched any of my videos before, you know where I stand on that. And the main factor explaining that is the abundance of paper contracts that are out there that I do not believe have the physical metal to actually deliver. In fact, on a little side note, I've been doing a book recently similar to Jack Schwager's Market Wizard series where he interviews a bunch of successful traders, transcribes it. I've been interviewing the top silver analysts that I've been learning from and following and can find, interviewing them, and that is going to be a book coming out soon. Quite fascinating information so far. And all seem to be in agreement that the production is declining, the demand is increasing, especially with the solar needs, which I've heard recently that starting next year, California is requiring solar on all homes of a certain size. Keith Newmeyer, who we'll be talking to later this afternoon, often mentions how all these green products that we're doing, everything that has electronics in it, all requires silver. And in the world we live in, the demand is growing. So in my own humble opinion, clearly a supply and demand mismatch. And that's why I do advocate owning gold and silver. And with that said, this video is sponsored by Miles Franklin, where I do buy and sell my gold and silver. And if you are interested in purchasing or selling precious metals, they're happy to help you with whatever you need. You can call 1-833-326-GOLD, and they'll be happy to help you out. And certainly an interesting time. Fascinating to see silver up a little bit over the past week. So we will see how that all goes. Hit the subscribe button to stay tuned, and I will talk to you again soon. Thanks.